Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So gagawa po tayo ng mini drawer. Nagawa lang po sa mga recycled na box ng mga soap. So ang kailangan po natin na materials ay syempre mga box ng soap. Glue, hindi talaga mawala. Mga beads, pwede pong kahit anong beads, pa square po, para po yung handle. Meron yan. Ruler, para ma-measure na po. Cardboard, ito po. This one. And this one. Pencil, para ma-line nyo po. Ribbon. Kahit ano pong ribbon. Tapos, ito po. Para po siyang gift wrapper. Yung mga recycle na gift wrapper, huwag nyo lang po ipunit. So, ito. Tapos, pwede din pong stick o brush. Siyempre din po, gunting. Kailangan natin ng gunting din para makat natin. Ayan. 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 So, ang first natin na gagawin ay kuha na natin yung mga box. Tapos, tanggalin natin ito. So, nahulog na. So, ngayon, ikat na natin ng scissors. Nakalimutan ko na ito, malapit na. Nakakat na. Oh! Ayan. Tapos, dito sa side. Sa parang left. Tapos, sa right. Oh, hindi pantay. Tapos, yan. So, yan. Nakat na po natin. So, gawin lang po natin yung sa isa. Boom! So, nagupit ko na po ang dalawa. Ngayon po, papagdikit na po natin. So, nasaan na po ba ang glue natin? Ito po ang gagamitin natin para magtigas. Tapos, ang gagamitin naman po natin ay brush para maganda ang kanyang pahid. Here it is. Here it is. Now, I'm just gonna like put them like so. Oh my gosh, I'm really nervous to put it. Okay. 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 Nothing spilled. Good job. So now, oh, what's wrong? So habang nagpaputuyo po tayo, so gagawa naman po tayo ng pattern. So meron po tayong i-measure ang kanyang height, ang kanyang width, at ang pinaka-importante, ang kanyang length. So, isa-set aside lang po natin yan ng dyan. So now, let's take the cardboard and let's take the pattern because I already made some one pattern so I can just trace it. So I'm just gonna trace this now. We don't need to cover this up because we have already L. So now I'm just gonna repeat this into the others. Now, we're done tracing all of them. Now, we're just gonna trace with the scissors. So, we can like easily fold it. So, now I'm just gonna trace it.
A few inches later.
Let's now cut them. So, now I'm cutting it right now. And I'm just gonna repeat them on to the like other side. Now I'm just gonna cut the last one, and I wish it's not hard while I'm cutting it right now. It's really hard. It's like a queen or some sort. It's like a cardboard. Well, it's cardboard. What am I thinking? So I'm just gonna cut this again. The last line. Oh my gosh. Well, still not the last line. There we go. Finally, we're done. And now, my favorite part, fold it! So I'm really excited because we're almost into the box. So I'm just gonna fold this first like this. So it's much easier to like stand up. So let's fold it, and yeah. It's really easy to fold because we use like these scissors to like line it. So I told you it's easy to fold if you do it. If you're too lazy, it's gonna be like rounded. It's not gonna be a box. So I'm just gonna press that really hard, and I'm just gonna repeat it.
A few moments later.
Now it's the last fold, and now time to do it. So now, you know my favorite part, to put it into a box. Like, it's really fun. So I'm just first gonna do this, and boom, look at that. That's really quick. We do not stop there, but okay. Now I'm just gonna glue it or stapler it. I'm just gonna stapler it or glue it. Glue is much easier because you cannot see like staples there. So I'm just gonna take the brush. So now I'm gluing right now. So I'm just gonna hold it into the tip. We don't want too much glue, so it's not too like, of course, not too like blown up. So just a little dip, and just, you know, brush. I'm using the brush again that we used onto the other video, the latest video, and yeah, this is the new latest video. So
A few moments later.
I'm just gonna fold this right now, and like as I said, I need to fold it like this. See? You can see me? I know you can see me because you're watching me. Like, duh. So, there we go. And now, oh my gosh. There we go. And now, it's time to do the other box to glue it.
6.5 hours later.
So now guys, I'm done with the box. Now I'm just gonna color this with art paper. So now I'm just gonna take the art paper. I actually take it like into a strips. So yeah, it's gonna be like wrap around and it's gonna be like cut. So you will see. Now I'm just gonna glue some. Put some glue on it, of course. We cannot stick with the glue. So now I'm just gonna put some of the glue like this.
6.5 hours later.
So I've done all of them, the 4. So here's the inside of it. So there we go. So these are done. So I'm just gonna set this aside and like in here. And now into the big boxes. I actually like stick them right now, but I'm just gonna stick the others. So first we need to put some glue in here. So here's the glue. It's really easy to do. We're just doing it into the middle. So there we go. Wow! Now I did it. There we go. We cover the whole box up. Here it is. So now we're done wrapping this. It's time to do the drawers to put the handle. So we're just gonna set this aside. And now we just need to take a skewer, then take the ribbon onto the handle and just do this. It's really easy. Then you're gonna tie it like a tie, not like 2 times if you tie it, because it's really soft. So we need to tie it really tight. So I'm just gonna tie this right now. It's the same ribbon as the other video, so because we don't like the other one. There we go. And we're just gonna cut the excess. And we have these scissors, my handy dandy scissors. And now time to cut. Woo! Woo! Ah. Woo! Woo! Whoa! Okay. There we go. So now we're done at the buttons. Now let's just put the art paper onto the floor of it so you can see the orange art paper like this. Like this. So now let's go. Oh, I forgot the other one. So I'm just gonna put this now. And yeah, I've done all of them. All 4 of them. Like here. So I'm just gonna put this inside like here. So now it's time to put the drawers in here. Into the cabinet. So first, I wish it's the right shape of it. Because it's something that's not the right shape or it's the same. Or it's the right shape. So first drawer. Okay, this is the second one. I'm really excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What's going on? What's going on? Oh, there we go. Second drawer done. Third drawer almost done. So there we go. Third drawer. Now the fourth. Now now it's just gonna cover the whole time. Okay, there we go. Now we have the cabinet all set, and it's time to put the things and things like accessories or like doll things. So I have like shoes and many more. I have like stamps or keys for my dolls. So the first one. So the first drawer can fill up shoes. So I'll put all the shoes I have here. Only the shoes, not the stamps. Because, excuse me, I'm full. So here we go. Here we go. Close that up. And the last one. The second. So here we go. Whoop, whoop. And their keys, because they need keys so they can lock if they're going out. So so did you see it? Comment down below if you see the boots and the keys. So here is the, is it the finished product? I think this is the finished product. Here we go. So here's the side, and here's the side, the back view. Again, there we go. I really like this because it's really, really useful. And you can put any things, not just food. Or you can just hide chocolates here. If you want secret stash, do this. Do this. If you want that. So I think that's it. So I think that's good for this video. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you next time. Goodbye.